Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a nice holiday-themed roast for y'all. First, we have to get the topping for our pork loin roast, and to start, we're going to add 1 stick of butter. All right, now normally I'm not this precise with measurements when it comes to cooking, but for this, it's a little more of a rub, so things have to be a little bit more precise. 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, about a teaspoon of coarsely ground, fresh cracked black pepper. I think I probably went over that. And then we're going to need a tablespoon of dried rosemary, a tablespoon of dried thyme, and 4 cloves of garlic that are minced. And just like that, all the ingredients are in. Then you want to take a spoon, and you basically just want to mash everything around and spin everything around till everything becomes one cohesive blob of butter and spices. Alrighty, as you can see, I've got my compound butter all made up. Alrighty, then I get my hands in there and just work this butter mix, this compound butter, all across the top. Then I'm going to pop it into an oven that's been preheated for 375 degrees. And then I'm going to cook this till it is 160 internally. Alright, so after 60 minutes in the oven and hitting the magical 160, this Christmas roast is done. Alrighty. So, this is a boneless pork loin roast, and it's perfect for a busy holiday night, and yeah. Anyway, it's done.